Next to the screens on a Model 55 is Manual Mode. If I click on the Manual Mode off the main menu, it should take me to the axis jog screen. So the purpose of this screen is to manually move each independent axis on the machine. So Model 55 has 3 axes available. You have the carriage, which we can go up and down, and this controls bringing the nozzle to and from the mold. You also have the injector, which actually will push material into the mold, and extrude, which will spin the screw on the barrel, pulling material from the hopper into the barrel. So in this example right now, I have the ability to do carriage extend, and the reason I know that is it's highlighted in yellow. If an axis cannot move, its button will gray out, indicating that there is something preventing it from moving. If I want to understand those conditions, why an axis cannot move, for example, I could click on the carriage extend region, which is not really a push button to jog the carriage. This is just an indicator to let you know it can move. If I wish to bring the carriage down, I must use the 2-hand start palm buttons to bring the carriage down. But if I do click on this button, it will jump me to the help screen for that axis, and it'll let me know what are the conditions for moving the carriage. In this case, the control power has to be on, hydraulic pump must be on, but the carriage up limit switch must be off. So in other words, I cannot move the carriage up because I'm already up against the limit switch, but I can go down. So I can hit the return button to come back to where I was. So hence why I can bring the carriage down, but I can't go up. If I click on the example of the injector, if I click on help, I will get the information of why the injector is not allowed to move. In this case, the carriage down pressure switch must be on, which the carriage isn't down onto the mold. Thus, the non-drill tip is not pressed in on the front of the nozzle. Thus, the injector can't go down because there's no way to push material into the barrel. Same thing for the extrude. If I click on help, again, the carriage has to be down up against either a mold or purge plate for the screw or the extrude to be able to run. You also have feedback on this screen and various inputs. For example, is the carriage back limit switch on? Is the decompress on or off? The limit switch for that. The shot size limit switch, as well as the pressure switch for the carriage down.